In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your project or design on Behance. Whether you're a designer, an illustrator, a photographer, or just about any creative professional, showcasing your work online is crucial, and Behance is an excellent platform for just that. In this guide, we'll walk through each step to ensure your work makes a lasting impression. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you've logged into your Behance account. If you don't have one yet, take a moment to sign up. It's free and pretty quick. Once you're logged in, look for the blue Upload button. It's usually in the upper right corner of your screen. Click that, and a menu will pop up with the option for Project. Select that to proceed. Now, you're ready to upload your content. A new page will load, giving you options to either drag and drop your files or manually select them by clicking the Select Files button. This is where you'll upload your images or multimedia files. Ensure your files are in high resolution. Behance really highlights high-quality visuals. You can add up to 50 individual files. Think about how your project unfolds and arrange your files accordingly. Remember, your cover image is the first thing people will see, so choose something striking and representative of your overall project. For file types, JPEG and PNG tend to work the best, but you can also upload audio or video files. Next, let's move on to adding some descriptive content. After your files have uploaded, it's time to give your project a title. A catchy, straightforward title will attract the right attention. Below the title, you'll see fields where you can add your project description and credits. Make sure to fill these in. It's a good place to explain your project concept, the tools you used, any collaborators involved, and what makes your project unique. This context can really resonate with viewers and potential clients. Moving further down, there's an option to add tags. Tags help others find your work when they search for specific themes or styles. Think of terms that best describe your project and audience. More specific tags can enhance visibility, so don't shy away from them. You'll also see a category drop-down option, which organizes your project under specific creative fields. Be sure to select the one that best fits your design. Before you hit that Prime Publish button, review everything. Double-check the order of your files, your descriptions, and your tags to make sure they're all accurate. Once you publish, your project will immediately go live on your profile. So take a moment for this last review. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click Publish. And there you have it, your project is now up on Behance for everyone to see. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you feel confident about sharing your talents with the creative world through Behance. Until next time, keep creating and inspiring.